We are in the Maldives.
We're Adam and Abby. Together, we are Travel with a Team. At the end of 2020, we quit our jobs to travel full time. We started in Hawaii, explored the Great West in an RV, and took on Alaska, the last frontier. Subscribe to our channel to follow our adventures around the world.
We have been waiting and waiting to go to the Maldives since we planned our honeymoon well over a year ago, and we are finally here. But it's looking a whole lot different because we are actually boarding a 10-day dive boat. We are so excited to get to dive for 10 days in some of the world's most incredible waters and places to dive. We have like 8 hours to kill at this airport before we actually get to go to the dive boat, but we are just bubbling with excitement, so we're gonna kill some hours and get on a boat. Believe it or not, we have officially killed like 6 hours of time, and now we can go to a meeting spot. We're gonna get picked up to go on a boat to get on our boat. We are boarding the boat. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This boat is our dive boat, so we're gonna be diving off this boat for the next 10 days. All of our setup gear in here, and this will take us to the main yacht, which is where we're gonna stay, hang out, eat, all the good stuff. Of course, we have to do a room tour of our cabin on the Aggressor too. Come on. Okay, so when we booked this, we were one of the last people to book, got one of the last cabins, and we ended up with twin beds, but that's okay. We're sleeping separate for 10 days. We'll live. This is really nice. We have kind of tall ceilings, you know, for a boat. It's really bright in here. These beds look like pretty comfy. Floor space, tons of storage. We have this massive closet, and they gave us robes, which, as you know, is our favorite amenity. We love having robes. We have what is actually a surprisingly huge shower. Look at this. Our sink area with all sorts of little storage for the, you know, whatever. Toilet. Couple of portholes, and yeah, that's kind of that. Why are we on a liveaboard? How did we choose this liveaboard among the hundreds, it feels like, liveaboards are in the Maldives, one of the best dive sites in the world? Well, our amazing friend Aiar, who owns Gulf Coast Scuba in Houston, Texas, hooked us up. Shout out Aiar. If you ever need any scuba when you're in Houston, he is there to meet all of your needs, and they go on trips all the time. So check out Gulf Coast Scuba. We will link their Instagram and their website in our description. Hit them up. Aiar is awesome, a scuba lover, a phenomenal diver, and a wonderful person, and we are so thankful that he gave us this recommendation because we think it is going to be so much fun. And so far, this experience has already been amazing. We've only been a part of this for like 2 hours.